Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can send videos on Gmail. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Gmail app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page where all of your received emails will be present. In order to send videos, you will need to compose a new email, and for that, tap on the Compose floating button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, a new page will slide up. Simply enter the email of the receiving account, so I will enter my own email. Once done, tap on the paperclip icon at the top and then tap on this arrow icon to access your local storage. After that, select the video you would like to send and Gmail will start compressing it. Once the loading is completed, tap on the send icon at top and the email will be sent. So that's basically how you can send videos on Gmail. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.